My name is Sergeant Udom Trust. I am a 92 Alpha with the California National Guard. I was born in Uguta, Imo State in Nigeria. Right after graduating college with a bachelor's in industrial psychology, I thought I was gonna live on my own and get a job and all that stuff. But if you have a Nigerian dad like myself, you know right after college, your parents want you back home, which is what I did. My dad wanted me back home, so I moved back home. Scrolling through my phone, I got an ad for the California Army National Guard. I filled out the survey. 10 to 20 minutes later, I got a call from Staff Sergeant Saley, who I did not know who that was at the point. But we got talking. He asked me if I was available for an interview, which I went in the next day. Signed a 3-year contract. 7 years later, I'm still in, shooting for my 20. For immigrants like myself, the California Army National Guard has a program called the Pathway-to-Citizenship. If you have a residency card, it could help you and your immediate family members to become United States citizens. It takes between 6 to 12 months, and guess what? $3.99. For reals though. It's at no cost to you and your immediate family members.